It's official when your boy Big C on the beat.
What we working on today?
In today's video, we're gonna be working on a bay window. We had a customer call saying that they had a broken window that they wanted to try to get a big old picture bay window installed. So we're gonna see what we gotta do to get it right. We started by taking out that old window, cleaning it up so that way we can see what we got. We know it got some rotten wood. Yeah, now that we got all our measurements, we got our studs put in. We trying to see what else we gotta do next to get everything framed up, get the bottom supported, get our windows installed. We starting by getting our plywood all on the outside so that way we can get everything structural, get everything tightened up. Now that we got everything installed, we got the windows in, we're gonna come back and put some insulation at the top. We're gonna put insulation in all the corners. Around the outside, we're gonna put weather seal on the outside of the window so that way it don't leak. We're gonna fill that bottom in. What I'm doing, I'm drilling some pilot holes so that way whenever I come through and put my concrete bolts in, everything will go in good. Yeah, it works best when you pre-drill the holes with the pilot hole. Get all my screws in, come back with these with this 5/16 bit, this nut driver bit, drive them in. That way I can take my brace out from the bottom. I get everything supported. Yeah, now that I got everything secured and tightened up, I'm gonna come back with my plywood and come back and wrap that.
Leave them haters in the wind, got my foot in their necks, no letting up. Dirty tees up on my body, reppin' innovative tech. All day, gotta protect the brand by all means. You know that we gon' turn up. If it's broken, I fix it. You got a problem, I solve it. You got a question, then call me. I'm the modern day MacGyver, Mr. Handyman. If you need your light bulb changed, cause I'm your handyman. If you need your roof fixed, if it's broken, I fix it. You got a problem, I solve it. You got a question, then call me. You need your trunk part, MacGyver, hit me up. Handyman. Cause I'm your handyman. Call me, yup. When I was young, I had a calling. I grew up in public housing. I been dissing the shine. I can't be wasting no time. I ain't no chillin' in the streets with them fakes and foes. I gave that street life up. I can't be locked up in the cell. My kids need me, and I tell them no more tears and no more pain.